Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a franchisee of Mr. Minit Mobile Services. The most common problem I solve is that people have either lost a transponder chip or they've lost the whole key. So we go out to them, cut the new keys on site and program them, everything done all at the car. I have fleet customers, I have new car dealerships, used car dealerships, mechanics, and I even have people that are just stranded on the side of the road.
My name's Scott and I'm with Mr. Minit Mobile Services. At Mr. Minit, we are a leader in car keys. With the typical all keys lost scenario, we'll turn up on site, we'll decode the lock, we'll cut them a new key, and we'll get it all programmed diagnostically.
My name is Drew. I run a Mr. Minit mobile service business. Our customers are referred from our Mr. Minit shops or our local dealerships. Some of the typical jobs I would do here on the Gold Coast would be a lot of your luxury cars, things like your Jaguar Land Rovers, BMWs, Mercedes, Porsches even. We also do a lot of keys for your regular everyday cars, like your Hyundais, Hondas, Toyotas. People have also work keys entirely.
It's important to have a spare car key because it's a lot easier to make a key if you've got one. If you're in a situation where you've lost all the keys for your car, dealerships can charge up to $7,500 for new keys for the car.
We can fix a wide range of vehicles. We have access to genuine keys, aftermarket keys, even aftermarket keys that look the same. We can even fix the key on site or in the store.
What I love about working for Mr. Minit and Mr. Minit Mobile Services is that we're real people getting out there and fixing real problems for people.